tayo lahat. Day 2. Yung masayang happy birthday son. Day to you. Yan, alright. So wala po ibang, wait lang po. Ayan. Oh, sindihan natin ulit, kuya. Ay, kuya, birthday ni Su. Siya mag-blow, okay? Alright, okay. So sige, Su, before you blow the candle, make a wish first. Ano man yung wish mo? What is your wish? Manika. Tsaka iPhone 15 Pro Max. Joke. Okay. Ay, mami, ano pa yung wish natin?